So I'm going to take you on a wilderness adventure on how to survive without your gaming PC. Oh, I'm going to get so itchy.
Maybe play a game by yourself. Go steal your siblings' possessions.
Oh yes, what is the time?
Consider cleaning out your car. You can always dance and party by yourself.
Come on, Bobby, let's go party.
Pull off some sweet parkour tricks. Oh, what? Whoa. Radical. Stunt it. And finally, use your laptop.
It's just not the same, guys. Oh, I can't wait to get back to my own computer, so bear with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Grass is itchy, but stay tuned for the next video. Silly boy out.